Hi, my name is Caroline Koenders. I'm a Dutch printmaker. I live half in the Netherlands and half in Greece. And in both countries I feel well, I have my own studios, and for me it's a big chance to travel between both countries and to get my inspiration from both countries. I chose Thomas Mann because he has been guiding me in a way through my adulthood times. I started reading his books around 18, 19 years old, and I kept rereading his books. They are superb written and very intriguing and very human. And both Magic Mountain as well as Dead in Venice were books that I really loved, and I still read them. The image I shot for Dead in Venice was made during my residency in Venice. I was invited as printmaking artist in the printmaking studio there, and during my stay I had all the chance and opportunity to walk around, to take pictures, and I found this picture suited the image I had in my mind of the book well. And the technique I used is photo etching, and I combined it with chincolé. It means I printed over Chinese paper, so you get another extra dimension. That's it, I think.